Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we cutting up some Karila, but Americans call it bitter melon in Chinese. So that's good to clean out your blood, detoxify. Aloe vera, which is also good for your blood. Yeah, and some beets, which is also good for your blood. I need a clean out, so that's why I'm doing it. This is rosemary and thyme. White onions, which is the best onions, and I'm having some Buddha tea, as you see, some nettle leaf tea. And in my mug, Boss Lady, thank you. And also, my channel is Starseed Journey, and it's women's empowerment, also spirituality and motherhood, breastfeeding. And if you love cooking like I do, I make my own seasoning. This is some sofrito I made for myself for my house. And I have an Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen, one word. And it has some herbal stuff, some holistic stuff. Ooh, this is the beets. It has holistic stuff, herbal stuff. It has Caribbean green seasoning, sofrito, Caribbean sofrito, and it has garlic honey. So go check it out, guys. Well, here we are. So today's the weekend, and I'm having some clean out, flush out. I gotta clean my system out from all the sweets. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy cooking. Namaste.